Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning how to solve the Pyraminx. In order to solve the Pyraminx, we must first find out the color of each side. So we must first find out which color this side is, this side, this side, this side. You get the point. So we must first just pick a side, any side to work with. So I guess we'll just start with this one first. So let's just do this side. And so what we must do is we must look at these three pieces. These three. 1, 2, 3. And they can only be one specific color. They can all three only be one specific color. And when you find out what color that is, that will be the color of this side. So, for example, let's try green. Okay, so green. Okay, I have these green. Can this piece be green? No, it cannot be green. Okay, so this is not the green side. Let's try yellow. Okay, so that piece could be yellow. And that piece could be yellow. All right, awesome. So we have yellow here, and yellow here. So now we know which side this is. This is the yellow side. So now what we want to do is we want to flip this down. We want to put it on the bottom. And now what we have here are headlights that basically tell us which color are these sides. So, for example, these headlights are indicating that this is the blue side. These ones are telling us that this is the red side. And this is telling us that this side is the green side. So now what we want to do is we just want to fix this top piece. So this side is green, so let's just fix this last piece. Let's make it green. Okay, voila. So this is the green side. And when you did that, that actually fixed all the other sides. So now you know which color is every single side. So now the last thing you want to do is you want to fix your tips. So let's fix our tips. All right, perfect. Now what we want to do is we want to solve the color that is on the bottom. So what color is on the bottom? Well, that would be the yellow side. So we're going to solve yellow. So now what we want to do is we want to find a yellow piece, any yellow piece. Here's one right here. So in order to work with this yellow piece, we must first kick it out of this position. We want it somewhere up here. So in order to kick it out, you just flip this piece up, move it right here, and flip this piece back down. And now you can move it and use it. So here's the yellow piece. Now, what color is with yellow? Well, this yellow piece is also with blue. So we want to bring this to the blue side, and we want to line it up with the blue side, like so. We want to line it up with the blue side, and then go to the other side, the opposite side, flip that piece up, move that piece here, so that the yellow is lined up perfectly, and just flip this piece down. And what you've done is you've put it correctly where it needs to go. Let's find another yellow piece. Oh, here's one right here. Okay, so yellow is with red. So that means that we want to line this up with the red side. So lined up. And again, we want to flip this piece up and bring this piece back here so that the yellow lines up. And we want to flip this piece down. Are there any more yellow pieces? Oh, there's another one. So we want to bring this here. We want to kick this out of place. So just flip this up. Bring that there. And flip this piece down. So yellow is with green. So we want to line it up with the green side. Line green up with green. And we want to flip this piece up and bring this right here and flip this piece back down. And do we have any more yellow pieces? No, we do not. That means that we have solved the yellow side. So now just line this back up before you do anything else. All right. So now that you have lined this up and you have completed this side, now you want to bring this to the right side. And now we want to work on a different side. So we'll just work with red. It doesn't really matter what other side you work with. I just randomly just picked red. Just put the side that you completed somewhere up here, whether it be here or here, it doesn't matter. And now you just start working on the red side. And as you start working on the red side and completing other sides, eventually the Pyraminx will reach a solved state. So let's solve the red side, and maybe when we solve the red side, the Pyraminx will reach a solved state. So I don't see any other red besides this red, so let's just kick this out of place. So move this on up here, and then move this here, and flip this piece back down. Okay, so you've kicked this out of place. Red is with blue, so you want to match the blue up with the blue side. So you've lined that up. And now you flip this piece up and move this here and flip this piece back down. Okay, is there any more red? No more red, so we've solved the red side. Okay, but before we go to solve another side, just make sure that you fix this. You always fix this after you complete a side, just so you're not mixed up or you don't make a mistake later on. So let's just bring the red up here, and now let's work on the blue side. So okay, so blue and green, and it's already lined up. Green is already lined up, so flip this piece up, move the blue over here, and bring this down. Let's find another blue piece. Blue and yellow. Let's line the yellow up with the yellow side and flip this piece up and bring this here. And voila, we have solved our Pyraminx. Well done. Thank you for watching Puzzle Shark. Stay tuned for the next video.